Mo kí gbogbo àwọn ọ̀dọ́ Yorùbá, gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ ọmọ Oduduwa, lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin of the Yoruba nation. We your parents have seen you go through a whole lot in the past few weeks. You did something in your NSAS protest that none of us could have dreamed of before that time. You organized yourself without appointing any leadership, and you held the whole of Nigeria more or less in your hands for almost 2 weeks before the authorities decided to shoot at you. And you exhibited surprising intellectual and technological knowledge. I just want to say we are proud of you. I'm very proud of you. I'm proud to be one of your parents or your grandparents. You are awesome. And as to the killing of your members by the soldiers who came to shoot at you, the struggle to know the truth is not over. We are going to find out, and we're going to ask the world to help in finding out what really happened, how many people really died, and what happened to the bodies of those who died. There are many rumors going around among us. I, in my position as a father, I received many of those rumors. For instance, that many bodies were taken in that night before morning to some hospitals in Lagos. And it will be a good thing for us, for the Yoruba people and for Nigeria, to know exactly what did happen. Are these rumors true? That as many as 70 or more bodies were taken to a hospital in Lagos that night? Are they true? And the body that can really do us the duty of finding out is an investigation panel that the Lagos state has set up. We need that they should step in and find out and save us from further trouble over this matter. If we think that we can just ignore these rumors and just go on, we are deceiving ourselves. If the rumors don't go away, the danger hangs over our nation and over the city of Lagos in particular, and we cannot afford that. So, young people of the Yoruba nation, young sons and daughters of Oduduwa, I congratulate you for the strength that you have shown. You have shown it before too, but it's just that what you did with NSAS protest was just unbelievable, awesome. You did it before. We started this journey together in the last months of last year. And by the time we held a Zoom conference of Yoruba people, by May of this year, there were representatives speaking from a total of 27 countries across the world, a total participation of 1,862 people from the diaspora. And that is a mind-boggling thing. We could never have imagined on our own that we could achieve a thing like that, but we achieved it. But I take it as a gift of God to the Yoruba nation. We started by saying we must mobilize our diaspora. We can now confidently say we have mobilized our diaspora. And salvation for the Yoruba nation will receive a great deal of assistance and support from the Yoruba diaspora across the world. On October 1, you went out and demonstrated the desire of the Yoruba nation. And again, we saw something that was mind-boggling. We saw Yoruba youths demonstrating in a total of 166 countries across the world. in totally obscure countries like Bangladesh and Papua New Guinea and so on. It is wonderful that you have done a thing like that. So all together we are celebrating, although there is this bitter taste of sorrow caused by your being killed, by some of you being killed. In spite of that, we celebrate you. We celebrate the strength of our youth. We know that now we have in our hands the youth that can build the Yoruba nation. We know that we have the instrument that can transform the Yoruba nation into a powerful modern country. We know that now. And we are very happy and very proud about that. And so, I must ask you to do some things about the way forward. The first is that you must defend our land. I started to say that to you as far back as late last year. Arise and defend our land. Defend our fathers' farms. Defend our farmland. Defend our villages. Defend our farmsteads. Defend the paths that lead to our farms. So that the people who are coming to kill, maim, and destroy, and rape, and kidnap on our land will find that the Yoruba people are no easy people to mess around with. We can protect our land. Now, after seeing you in the past few weeks, I know now that we can I am more confident now that we can do it even better than I thought before. So please organize yourself. That's the way I have spoken to you. Organize yourself in your villages, in your streets, in the cities, in your communities, in your farmsteads, and defend your own. This is your homeland. The people who are threatening that they are coming to take your land from you will banish the Yoruba people from their land and take their land and subdue you and so on, are deceiving themselves. Let us show them that they are deceiving themselves. Please let us show them that they are dealing with a nation that is powerful, that is very, very powerful. A nation with countless, with limitless possibilities and capabilities in the world. Let us defend our own. Please let us defend our own. We encourage the Amotekun. We encourage our governments and supported our governments to handle Amotekun, to give us Amotekun, and they did so loyally, patriotically. And we are still very thankful to them. They've made the laws in every state to create Amotekun. And they have appointed the commanding officers and so on. And in some cases, they have started to recruit the young men and women who will serve on Amotekun. But it is coming slowly, and we understand. We are not blaming our governors about that. We know where the slowing down is occurring. We know where it is being generated and engineered. But meanwhile, while our rulers, while our governors are putting together Amotekun, I ask you, please defend our homeland and let the world know that the Yoruba nation can defend its own. And finally, I must ask that you, our young people, must walk the way you walked during the EndSARS protest. Men and women side by side, fighting it together, and doing it in a disciplined and purposeful manner. I am proud to be one of your parents, and I'm glad that we have in our hands the young people that will raise our land, our country, that will revive the dignity of our country and make us a great nation in the world. Thank you very much.